So it's early o'clock here. Sun's just coming up. Let's see if the new daily driver make it to work for us. Ought to be a fun cruise. I'm gonna probably hit a really steep hill and test these brakes out. May have to get gas. Should check that right now, actually. Let's do that quick. Okay, stuffed a couple gallons in there anyways. Hopefully that'll get us there. And, I suppose we gotta get her started before we do anything, so. Stuffed in this little hole here, out of the way of the driveway. So, just seesaw our way out of here, but that's alright. Part of the admission's only $6 a day, $10 for a weekend pass. You got turn? There's one, oh yeah. There's another one. There we go. If those work, well then, that should work. Man, just missing one headlight. There we go, there's one more the lights. They're pretty much just going up and down anyway. So early morning run here, we got some foggage going on with that back window. Check it out. Oh, green means go. I'll take that. So if you're wondering where the corners of your boat are, nice little spot lights are there. Never seen that before. Of course, never drove it. It's this dark either. Yeah, but she's cruising good otherwise. I think the rear defrost worked. I don't know. Window seems to be drying up. But yeah, tires got real bad flat spots. They're only 30-something plus years old. Really got to change them. But work in progress, So I just threw 10 gallons in the tank. She was pretty low. I just threw whatever I had in can in it this morning just to get to work and made her 2 miles down the road to the gas station. But, when I was clicking the buttons to fill her up, it said, "Hey, is your car dirty? You want to wash it?" So I said, "Yep." So we're going to do that. Never been to this car wash before. I always kind of eyeballed it. Oop, here's a curb. So we'll see if it's any good. I think it's touchless. Does not disclose, I don't think. Oh, touch free, there we go. Yep, so probably mostly just gonna leave water spots and pull the dust around, but oh well, I got the basic. What's basic? Undercarriage wash, double foam action cleaner, power wash. Spot free rinse and dry. $8. See if we can float this boat right through here. Goodness, this is a big rig. Alright, gotta get the cord here. All I do, follow his instructions. Okay. 9, 8, 3, 6, 0. put AC in. So now we know we got a leak. Pass this way to test it, you know. But oh well, I'd try. Got us through the car show anyway. You hear this? Oh yeah! Woo! Goodness. There's leaks. Spot free? You kidding me? Can't beat it. Here we go. Time's up. You only get so much of these blowers. You gotta go get them. Here we go. Oh, you ain't seen a hood this long in years. Timer? Oh, there it is. 47 seconds. Perfect. Let's see how much the top like this. Oh, it sounds like it's coming through. Boy, oh boy. It's a lot of car to dry off in, you know, a minute. Well, I hear an air leak. You know, I don't know where exactly it would be coming from, but not there. Well, it's been done and it's still going. There she goes. That gives you a little more, yeah. Paid for it. So that's a good deal. I'll be back.
60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Just trying to get my grass cut. It's got to get a little on. Boy, if I ain't just streak of bad luck. I mean, like, right on the edge. I'm feeling raindrops. It's not raining